tell me why do we as consumers want products with so much sugar? To the grocery store, I've got to decide to cook something. So I'm gonna try and find something that will be cooked with less sugar. SYMPT, symptoms of diabetes. I think I spelled that wrong, diabetes. I'm going to give you 16 symptoms. I'm going to give you 8 things you know you're a diabetic, and I'm gonna give you 7 foods that I eat to lower my blood sugar. And I'm gonna give it to you right excessive urination. 15, a urinary tract infection. Now those 2 are very important because your urination tells you that you might be diabetic or pre-diabetic. You might can catch it in advance. Number 14 is blurred vision. Difficulty and tired all the time. You have dry mouth. And you are, well, I don't know about this. I never heard this, but you're impotent. So I know I'm not nowhere in this category. So I'm gonna pay attention to it though, especially the excessive urination and the blurred vision and the being tired all the time. Now the next set is reoccurring infections. Now this is a main one right here. You have wounds that's not showing that they're healing. You might have a wound, you might have feet problems, or you might have hand tinglings that don't seem like it's healing. You might want to go to the doctor and get checked out. The next one is stomach problems, bloating, abdominal pain, and nauseated all the time. That can show a sign of being pre-diabetic. So far, I'm okay. The next one is constant fatigue, constant tiredness. Okay, I'm still okay. So I'm still good in that area. The next one is, am I thirsty all the time? Not really, but I do drink a lot of water and lemon water, but I'm not constantly thirsty. The next one is dry, itchy skin. Is your skin dry in some areas, patches? Is your skin dry, itchy? Are you itching all the time? I don't. So I'm okay right now. Now, the next 6 is, I'm always hungry. Well, no, not really. I'm not always hungry. The next one is, do I have excessive fat and weight? Well, I don't have excessive fat and I don't have a weight problem, but I do know I need to lose about 10 pounds. And that would help you out in lowering your blood sugar, because you have to do some exercises. The next one is, do you have nerve problems? No, I don't have any nerve problems. I'm okay in that area. Do I have any areas of my body where my skin changes? On my neck, in the back of my neck, on my hands? No, I don't have any areas where it's dark skin patches. And the last one, which is real important, is tingling and numbing of my feet and my hands. You've got to look at that. So the main ones to me is excessive urination, blurred vision, tingling of the feet, and numbing of the hands. You have a weight problem, you're always thirsty. These are the very, very important ones. And you're always tired. And I don't know if I said blurred vision, but blurred vision. Now, let me give you the 8 reasons that you might be diabetic, that you need to go to the doctor. You are fatigued and hungry all the time. You've got to eat. Frequent urination. Remember I said earlier, 4 to 7 times a day is good. Anytime over that. If you're going all night long, start inspecting what you drank that day. It might have been something you drank. We're not sure, but start paying closer attention to it. The next one is weight loss. Yeah, weight loss. Dry mouth. You might be dehydrated, very tired, weight loss, dry mouth, blurred vision. Blurred vision. Please pay attention to that. Urination, tired, blurred vision, fall asleep real fast. Tingling of your hands and your feet. Please pay attention to that. Don't say, oh, my feet feel numb. Well, pay attention to that. What type of shoes you just had on. Is your feet always feeling tired and numb? And dark patches of skin on your neck and under your armpits. Pay close attention to this. This is very important. Do you know that 30.3 million of the United States population is diabetic? 23.1 million are diagnosed and 7.2 million are not diagnosed. Am I one of the ones that's diagnosed? I'm checking it out. So far, I am good. I know I was urinating a lot the other night. That was because of some drink I had drank, and I know that's what it was, because it was out of character for me to drink that kind of drink. But I definitely will pay attention to it. Now, here are the 7 foods that you can eat that would lower your blood sugar. Vegetables, anything that's green. What do you call it? Broccoli, spinach, kale, green beans. You can do anything that's green. Salads, make sure it's salads with no fattening salad dressings that have a lot of sugar in it. So please maintain your sugar intake. Fatty fish. Fatty fish. Great fish for protein is wild salmon, sardines, and mackerels. Wild salmon, sardines, and mackerels are good to keep your blood sugar lower. The next one is nuts. Raw nuts. Stay away from the peanuts and the cashews. Eat more walnuts, almonds, and pistachios, and hazelnuts. These will help lower your blood sugar. The next one is extra. When you cook, when you eat salads, use extra virgin olive oil, and try to buy the extra virgin olive oil from the Whole Food stores and not from the regular store, because the regular stores sometimes have that junky oil in it and you think it's extra virgin. Go to the Whole Food stores. The type of seeds you can eat to help lower your blood sugar is flax seeds, sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, and sesame seeds. Now to me, sesame seeds have a lot of salt on them. So get the ones that's non-salted. I think you can buy them non-salted. Okay, the next one is apple cider vinegar reduces your blood sugar. You can take a couple of capsules, teaspoons of it. I mix mine with my vinegar and garlic water every morning that I drink, my morning drink, my apple cider vinegar. Sometimes I put apple cider vinegar when I'm cooking, but apple cider vinegar is really good in lowering your blood sugar. The next one is berries, blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries. I did not know raspberries was that good. I made a mistake the other day and bought a raspberry tea, and that was so good. So I'm gonna pay more attention to, I know I eat, they say you can eat 8 or 10 blueberries at night before, after dinner, and before you go to sleep. So I already do that anyway. I don't like strawberries, they're too tangy for me, but I'll drink the raspberry tea. So remember, all of these help you foods. Stay with the greens, stay with the blueberries, raspberries, strawberries. Cook with extra virgin olive oil. This is a recap. Take you a couple of capsules of apple cider vinegar. Cook with apple cider vinegar. Salad, I eat vinaigrette salad. I don't eat the ranch and the all blue cheese and all that. I don't eat all that. Sometimes I eat salad by itself with no salad dressing. Let's begin to stay healthy, eat healthy, drink healthy, not much sugar, white bread, potatoes. Stay away from all of that if you can. You can still, I eat it in moderation. I don't eat it every day. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. I hope my Wednesday Wellness is helping you along the way. Don't forget to follow Simple Cooking with Braden Brand. I'm always going to bring you a meal. I'm going to bring you a Wellness Wednesday or something. But click that subscribe button, click that like button, and tell me, how are you going to lower your blood sugar, or how are you going to maintain it? I will see you in next Wednesday Wellness Simple Cooking with Braden Brand.